What's the most annoying sound in the world? Tinnitus. Smacking of lips while chewing food. The fellow at number 6's electric box constantly beeping. He works away during the week and never seems to top the thing up. Nails scraping against cloth or metal and chalkboards. Hey! You want to hear the most annoying sound in the world? Someone chewing with their mouth open. When a newborn baby does that real relentless, screeching cry. Leaf blower is pretty awful. Cicadas. People clipping their nails in public. That little shit egg thief's laugh in Spyro. Tina from Bob's Burgers, that moaning groaning sound she does. Kid on an airplane screaming for 2 hours.